phone ran over the limit too. So, I guess I'll go park in a Walmart parking lot after this and get those videos uploaded. But the regular phone Wi-Fi, not the hotspot Wi-Fi, works just fine, I guess. So, I don't know, confuses me. I would just upload them at the house, but we have HughesNet, which is a satellite internet, and so downloads and uploads are very slow. But anyways, we got 5 megaboxes to bust through tonight. Should take about 30 minutes or so, probably about 6-7 minutes a box. We will go ahead and get started. Got some pretty solid prospects in here, from what I've read and been told, so hopefully we can find some of those again tonight. There's our Mojo packs there. I think the base set's pretty small. I think it's like 100 cards or so. So we will most likely see quite a few duplicates of these base chrome cards. Got Buster Posey, Austin Meadows, Xander Bogaerts, Akil Baddoo, and Yermin Mercedes. I don't know why I just pronounced his name wrong there. A couple decent rookies, though. There's Mike Trout. Joe Adele, rookie. Ryan Jeffers, Bobby Dahlback, and Sixto Sanchez. I can get that open there. Yeah, Jose Garcia, Garrett Crochet, Ian Anderson, Brady Singer, and Eugenio Suarez. So we've gotten like multiple rookies in every pack so far. Ian Anderson pitched a solid game the other night for the Braves. Tristan McKenzie, Casey Mize, Charlie Blackmon, Christian Yelich, and Kevin Newman. Definitely got more rookies so far than we do veteran base players. Last base pack, and then we'll go after those Mojos. Whit Merrifield got a cool sliding glove on there. Luis Reyes, Fernando Tatis Jr., Randy Rosarina, and Shohei Ohtani. Alrighty, let's see what we can make happen. For the Brewers, we got Luis Medina, his Bowman first Mojo. Got a Mick Abel Mojo for the Phillies. Nick Gonzalez, Dawn of Glory insert. Got a Robert Paulson Mojo for the Athletics. And Carlos Colmenares, not too bad there for the Rays. So we got 2 Bowman first Mojos out of that one. He's one of the more sought-after guys there. Hopefully we can find a Christian Hernandez tonight, because I don't know that I've pulled one yet. Pulled 2 Luis Rodriguez out of the last break we did. Don't think I've snagged a Christian Hernandez yet. Got a Mojo of Emerson Hancock. Johnny Pyrone. Not sure how to pronounce his name. That's a Bowman first there for the Rays. Yeah, you got a Carson Tucker auto. Nice on-card auto there for the Indians. I believe it's on-card. Yeah, I think that's just the top certified line coming across there above the little certified autograph issue. Got kind of a cool auto for the Indians there. Emmanuel Rodriguez, Bowman first Mojo for the Twins. And a Shea Langoliers Mojo. Glad we got an auto there. I'm starting to think the autos, they're out of every 10 packs. At first I thought it was just out of every 10 Mojo packs. But I'm starting to think it's out of every, 10 packs collectively. So, There's 7 packs in the box. It's almost like 1 per box. Because we pulled like 3 in one break, and I think 3 in another break. They're very frequent. More frequent than you would think 1 out of 10 Mojo packs would be. But you guys may have seen breaks where it's a little bit different, so I don't have a big enough sample size to make that my official claim. Alrighty, box number 2. We pulled a redemption the other day too. I can't remember who it was. I thought it was Ismail Mina maybe for the Cubs. Oh, there's another pack in there. Rookie of Luis Campusano, Chris Bryant, Jordan Alvarez, Max Scherzer, and Matt Chapman. Those are going to be our Mojo packs there. Oh, upside down. Whit Merrifield, Luis Reyes, and Fernando Tatis Jr. I guess they only put 3 in that one. Haven't seen that before. Well, I've seen it out of plenty of other products. I just haven't had it happen to me out of this yet. Thought maybe we get some extra ones on this one. Mookie Betts, Aaron Judge, Yu Darvish, Joey Gallo, and Austin Hayes. Jorge Soler for the Royals. Jose Ramirez, JD Martinez, Bryce Harper, and George Springer. Haven't got as many rookies in this box as we did in the first one. There's a nice one. Andrew Vaughn, Bowman Chrome rookie. Alejandro Kirk, Dalton Varsho, Ryan Mountcastle, and Luis Garcia. I've never opened this pack before. Usually the packs are pretty similar, like if you find the same lineup of guys, but I've never pulled that Andrew Vaughn, Mountcastle, some of those guys in the same pack like that. It's nice to see something new. Alrighty, here we go. Another Bowman First Mojo, Starlin Aguilar for the Mariners. Hunter Green Mojo for the Reds, he's a pretty solid pitcher. Ed Howard, Dawn of Glory for the Cubs. Asa Lacy Mojo for the Royals. And there we go. Got a Christian Hernandez First Mojo for the Cubs. Nice little Cubs pack there. How old is he? 03. Jeez Louise. Good grief. I think somebody was 04 the other day, so 03 maybe not that bad. I think Armando Cruz, I think he was 04 maybe. Was when he was born. That's so young. Can't imagine having a sports card that everybody was chasing when I was an 18-year-old. Alright, nice little pack that was. Maybe we'll get an auto in this one. Hey, Pedro Pineda. Bowman First for the Athletics. Alexander Ramirez for the Mets. Another Bowman First. I think we have a pink in here. Hopefully it'll be an auto too. That'd be nice. It's kind of friction-y to the other card. Ah, not an auto. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice Torkelson. Out of 199. Very nice. It's upside down there. Everything's upside down. Oh, this has been a good box. Victor Acosta. Bowman First Mojo for the Padres. And Yolki Cespedes. I cannot say his name. That's another nice one, though. It's not his Bowman First, but nice one for the White Sox. Very solid box that was. We didn't get an auto, but honestly, I'd trade a Torkelson parallel for a lot of autos, probably. Maybe not a Torkelson. What is this, a pink? It might be a fuchsia. I can never tell the difference. I guess I should learn what they're numbered to. That would help me tell the difference. I might prefer like a blue Torkelson, I don't know. That was one of the better boxes I've had so far with this stuff. We had some really good ones though. Oh, about knocked them all over there. I don't know. We pulled a bunch of Dodgers in the last break. We had those two Luis Rodriguez. Bowman first. I guess I don't even have to fold those flaps back because the cards will slide right in between them. Maybe we can find some Dodgers guys here in this box. Well, these packs are all weird. I don't think I've ever seen the cards put in like that. Usually the other way. Shane Bieber, Austin Hayes. There's Andrew Vaughn, rookie, Alejandro Kirk, and Dalton Varsho. I don't know what was up with that pack. Thought about panic. I thought we had an auto there. I was like, oh shoot, it's crazy. See, that's the way I'm used to right there. Yadier Molina. Got Alex Kirilloff, rookie. Jesus Sanchez, Tyler Stevenson, and Nate Pearson. Luis Robert, Mookie Betts, Aaron Judge, Yu Darvish, and Joey Gallo. 5 veterans there. Geraldo Perdomo, rookie. Javi Baez, Juan Soto, Brian Reynolds, and there's a Vlad Guerrero Jr. I see a lot of people on eBay selling these packs like in big, huge lots. It's almost like they just opened all the mega boxes, got all the mojo packs out to open for themselves, and then sold all the regular packs. Jazz Chisholm, William Contreras, Tanner Houck, Nick Madrigal, and Hyseung Kim. 5 rookies in that one. Alright, so we're looking for some Dodgers players here. Let's see what we can find. Got a mojo of Jared Kelly for the White Sox. Oswald Peraza for the Yankees. Another Torkelson. This is the Dawn of Glory insert for the Tigers. Got another Victor Acosta Bowman first mojo. Another Yoelqui Cespedes for the White Sox. So a couple White Sox cards in there. Manuel Beltre for the Blue Jays. Gilberto Celestino for the Twins. Oh, yes. These are pretty rare. Got a Bowman Ascensions rookie of Dylan Carlson. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure these were case hits for hobby. And I want to say 1 out of 80 packs. So they're pretty rare. They're not quite as rare as I thought they were. They're about like pulling a gold. 1 out of 70 for a gold. So that's an awesome pull there. I got another Asa Lacy mojo, and hey, another Christian Hernandez. So we doubled up on Luis last break. We doubled up on Hernandez this break. Hopefully we can still find a Luis in one of these boxes. Oh, that was another decent couple of packs there. Like I said, I don't know the value on these. They're supposed to be pretty rare for the hobby, but it looks like they might have printed some more for the mega boxes. Guess that took the place of a possible autograph or parallel. Alrighty, let's get after it again. These cards have some, I don't know what you call it, like card dandruff, or I think I talk about this almost every other break, but they got some of that stuff that like falls off. Must be like just some excess debris, or it could be part of this thing every time we open the box. I want to get a box where they accidentally put 5 Mojo packs inside instead of 5 Chrome base packs. I got Cody Bellinger, Gleyber Torres, Mike Yastrzemski, Jose Abreu, and Ronald Acuna Jr. Jorge Soler, Jose Ramirez, JD Martinez, Bryce Harper, and George Springer. Rookie of Luis Campusano, Chris Bryant, Yordan Alvarez, Max Scherzer, and Matt Chapman. Clark Schmidt, rookie, Joey Bart, Tariq Skubal, Shane McClanahan, and a Joey Votto. Buster Posey, Austin Meadows, Xander Bogaerts, another Akil Baddoo rookie, and Yermin Mercedes. Those guys seem to be back-to-back every time. There's an Austin Martin Mojo. Got Gabriel Arias for the Indians. Oh, Jordan Walker. The Cardinals having a nice little break. That kind of a cool auto he's got there. Nice Mojo. On-card auto for the Cardinals. Got Messiel Urbina. Bowman first Mojo for the Twins. Oh, I thought that was another Christian Hernandez. This time it's Ed Howard. Mojo for the Cubs. Stuff is, I mean, it feels loaded, but it's definitely loaded compared to last year when they didn't put any Bowman first in the whole product. I'm amazed at the value of those boxes today. Those, like, baby bluish, greenish. It's like a weird green, maybe like a teal green boxes from last year's Bowman Chrome. They sell for like $80 on eBay, $90. And they didn't put any Bowman firsts in the set. You can get autos and everything, but every card's just a Mojo. No, like, nothing sets the card apart from being like his first Bowman or anything of any player. So this set, it just seems to blow it out of the water. And then you've got all the Bowman first, you know, probably 70-80% of them in the set are hitters. So got a Drew Romo Mojo. Nice one there for the Marlins. Edie Cape. Got an Asa Lacy, Dawn of Glory for the Royals. Brett Beatty, Mojo for the Mets. And Armando Cruz, nice one there for the Nationals. Pulled his auto a break or two ago. We got his auto once. Little Drew Romo there. I think he was a pretty high pick, wasn't he? 35th overall. Alright, last box. Davy Garcia, Andres Jimenez, Dane Dunning, Dylan Carlson, and Christian Pache. Brian Reynolds, Flagro Jr., Yadier Molina, got a Kirilloff rookie for the Twins, and Jesus Sanchez for the Marlins. Marlins have like 3 or 4 rookies in here. Not to mention they got some mojos as well. Luis Reyes for the Twins. There's Fernando Tatis Jr., Randy Rosarina, Shohei Ohtani, and Jose Altuve. So 5 veterans there. Luis Patino rookie for the Rays, Spencer Howard, Geraldo Perdomo, Javi Baez, and Juan Soto. Rookie of Garrett Crochet, Ian Anderson, Brady Singer, Eugenio Suarez, and Whit Merrifield. Alrighty, down to the wire here. We got 2 mojo packs in front of us. I don't know if I want to see a nice big auto or a super short print. Maybe we could just get both. Get an auto that's super short print. Got Emerson Hancock. Another Johnny Pyrone. Gosh, I need to look up how to pronounce his name. Bowman first there for the Rays. Got Aaron Sabato, Dawn of Glory for the Twins. Well, he looks like he could kill the ball. Francisco Alvarez, he's a pretty touted prospect for a catcher. And Josiah Gray, mojo for the Dodgers. Alrighty. Another Luis Medina, Bowman first mojo for the Brewers. Got another Mick Abel. We might have kind of a duplicate run here. Out of 199, Austin Hendrick. So it was pretty similar to that one pack, just had a different player here so far. Last time we had Torkelson. This is Austin Hendrick, 39 of 199. What is this, anyways? Purple? It's got to be a pink. Must be a pink. I thought it might have been one of those fuchsias, but fuchsia's a different color, I believe. Sheldon Polanco, Bowman first mojo for the Pirates, and Alexander Vizcaino for the Yankees. So we did get a couple different cards there at the end. So 2 pinks, 2 autos, and an Ascension. Not too bad. I haven't done enough of these breaks to figure out what's kind of the norm. Like I said, I think we had one break, we had 3 or 4 autos the other day, but I like to see some numbered cards occasionally. Just want to see some autos that are numbered. Get a couple more of these cards loaded here, and then we'll do a recap, and then I'll jump off. Alrighty, here we go. We had that Bowman Ascensions, Dylan Carlson rookie. I think we decided it was 1 out of 80 packs. Gilberto Celestino, Bowman first mojo for the Twins. Manuel Beltre for the Blue Jays. Got a Victor Acosta for the Padres. Torkelson Dawn of Glory. Ed Howard. Marcel Urbina. Got a Jordan Walker auto for the Cardinals. Austin Martin mojo. Armando Cruz. Nice one for the Nationals. Edie Cape for the Marlins. Drew Romo. Alexander Vizcaino. Shaylin Polanco. Got an Austin Hendrick pink out of 199. Luis Medina for the Brewers. Josiah Gray mojo for the Dodgers. Francisco Alvarez. Aaron Sabato, Dawn of Glory. And Johnny Pyrone, Bowman first mojo for the Rays. Have some meat in this one, I think. Got Carlos Colmenares is one of the first ones we pulled. Nick Gonzalez, Dawn of Glory. Another Luis Medina. Emmanuel Rodriguez. Carson Tucker was our first auto there for the Indians. Another Johnny Pyrone. Christian Hernandez, Bowman first mojo. Got Ed Howard, Dawn of Glory. Starlin Aguilar, Bowman first mojo for the Mariners. Got 2 Yoelqui Cespedes. Here's one of them. Another Victor Acosta, Bowman first mojo. Got a Torkelson pink out of 199. Alexander Ramirez, Bowman first mojo. Pedro Pineda for the Athletics, Bowman first mojo. And another Christian Hernandez. So nice break for the Cubs. They had a couple Ed Howards, a couple Hernandez,